I have not been outside since October because I didn't have a ramp. I'm Jeanie Carson. I'm the Bereavement Counselor at Good Shepherd Community Care, which is hospice. The person who's head of the company, Justin, was someone who I gave my bereavement services to. I counseled him after his father died. I've also counseled somebody else in your company. Not too long ago, made one of my bereavement calls. One of the people who raises money for our agency, she and Justin had a conversation soon after his father had died, and he said, if there's anything I can ever do to help, I have put in ramps, and maybe there's a patient who might need a ramp sometime. So she filed that away, and then she found out a while ago that I couldn't get to the office because I didn't have a way to get out of my house. She didn't know that he had me. So he stepped forward and made this incredibly generous donation so that it's possible for me to have this ramp.
So I started working with Good Shepherd after helping my father with what I realize now was the end of life care. I became acquainted with Jeanie when she called me. She has this incredible ability to help, I imagine, so many families. She reached out as part of the service that the Good Shepherd provides to check and see how I'm doing. Being able to help Jeanie, and I didn't even know she was, in this situation to begin with. It's definitely comes full circle. Along the way, since Good Shepherd was helping my father and helping myself and my family, I had reached out and said, if there's anything we can do to help, just let me know. And that's why they reached out eventually, and I'm so glad they did. I never expected it to be with helping someone on their team, Jeanie. It's so incredible, and she's helped so many families that are tied to our Amramp family as well.
My name is Katie Russo. I am the bookkeeper for the local team for Amramp in Randolph, Massachusetts. Good Shepherd was there for me last October when my mom got diagnosed with end-stage cancer. They were there for me in the time that I needed them the most, and they're still there. They call me every 2 weeks and check in on me continuously. Jeanie is my bereavement counselor. My experience with Jeanie has been great. I don't answer all the time for her because I know it's gonna make me cry, so I see her number come across and she leaves me beautiful messages and just lets me know that she is there to support me in whatever I need. So I greatly appreciate working with her and the entire team there. And I was so glad that I worked for a company that was able to then return the favor. You never know how you connect and how it will come full circle.
Tomorrow, there's a baby shower for a young friend of mine, and I'm going to be able to be there, which is really exciting. Every aspect of my life that involves leaving my house is now possible, which it was only a dream, really, for such a long time.
Get some fresh air.
Yeah. Yep. This is awesome.